came back from my local Apple store and I'm so excited to unbox this new laptop with you guys. I finally caved in and bought a new laptop. And this is the new MacBook Air. I'm so excited. The box looks so chic, so beautiful, and look how thin this laptop is. I have been wanting another MacBook Air for so long. The very first MacBook Air that came out, the original, that's the one that I had for so long, and then I converted to a MacBook Pro. And don't get me wrong, I do love the MacBook Pro, but I've always missed the MacBook Air. I just love how light it is, and the fact that now it comes in a 15-inch, this is what I have been waiting for. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Again, this is the new 15-inch MacBook Air in the color Starlight, and I did get the 16 gig with the 1 TB storage. I edit quite a bit. I have a lot of media on my laptop, so I do need that higher memory. So satisfying. I love new tech from Apple. All right. I just love how big it is, but it's not so big that it's overkill. All right, and here it is. Oh my gosh, it is so light. All right, so look and see what's inside. So it does come with the cable for charging. And we have some booklets in here. Let's see. Of course, we have to have the little Apple stickers. And then we have the charging cube. Now this one comes with 2 USB-C ports, and I love that. It's perfect because now I can charge my laptop and my iPad at the same time. So that's everything that comes in the box. So now let's open up the laptop itself. And it is pretty light. Oh my God, this color is beautiful. I did love the space gray as well, but when I saw this color, it is absolutely everything. It's so beautiful. It's not quite gold and it's not silver. It's kind of in between. All right, now let's go ahead and open it. I love this so much. The screen is so perfect. Just for comparisons, this is the original MacBook Air. This is the very first one. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the cover. I always get a hard shell cover on all of my laptops just to protect them. I most likely will get one for this one as well. But this is the original MacBook Air. I was so excited to get this. I wanted one so bad, and it was gifted to me by my parents for my 21st birthday. I'll never forget that day. I woke up in the morning and my dad gave me $2,100 and told me, go and get yourself that laptop. I would not stop talking about it, but look at the difference. We have gone a long way since then. All right, so here they are. So this is still the old design where it was slanted, really thin on one side, and it kind of gets bigger. And yeah, it looks very different even inside. Now this is kind of broken, so bear with me. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Putting them both side by side, what a difference. Wow, so this one is in the silver. I always went for silver whenever I got any tech. And then this is in the Starlight. Crazy, right? I always hated this rim around the screen, so I love that they removed that for the newer laptops. And also the trackpad. They used to be so much smaller before, and now they are huge. And of course, the 15-inch is really what the MacBook Air needed. I love the fact that it's so much bigger. And this is my MacBook Pro. This is my most recent laptop that I've had now for about 6 years. Look at the screen size. I love how thin the MacBook Air is. And it's so much lighter as well. I have this Kate Spade case, so let's see if it fits in there. I think this is gonna be perfect for it. Yep. It is the perfect size. So here's a close-up. This is the very original MacBook Air. First one that ever came out. And this is the new M2 MacBook Air. What a difference. And then here is my MacBook Pro. The 15-inch really is perfect. And that is the new 15-inch MacBook Air. Such a beautiful laptop. If you guys are hesitant about this laptop or thinking about it, I definitely would say go for it. I would say get the higher memory. You don't necessarily have to get the 1 TB or the 16 gig, but definitely go up at least one step higher. But this is perfect. It really is all I personally need, and I'm so excited to have it. I really have been waiting for this 15-inch version of the MacBook Air for so long. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want me to do more tech videos, then leave me a comment below and I definitely will do so. I am a huge tech nerd. I buy a lot of tech items, but I really felt that this MacBook Air was so special and I did want to unbox it with you guys. But if you want me to do more videos like this, then leave me a comment below and I definitely will do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.